Hello again, my friends. As promised, we will look together issue 14, which comes with a larger part. Is the cockpit floor. So let's have a quick look. Okay. So it comes with CP screws. Okay, let's have a look. So we need, on this stage we are just attaching the dashboard. Like so. And we need a couple of 3 CP screws. Okay. Saving the spare there. Right. Okay, so take the dashboard and it goes on the floor panel like that. Great stuff. Let's turn it around, and these are the places where the screw should go. Let's start with the one in the middle. And then the other two on the sides. Just a couple more turns here. Okay. And there you go, my friends. This is the dashboard secured to the floor, and that's issue 14 sorted. I shall see you shortly when we look at issue 15.